So look guys, today we're going to be learning this, which is a very, very quick combo, right? So if you're new here, please do subscribe. You're doing an amazing thing by supporting me. That'll be absolutely amazing. So right, I'm going to get right into the move after my intro. Guys, first of all, we're going to start off with this in spin down by our hip. So I'm using my right hand and it's going towards my left hip. If you're left-handed, you're going to be using your left hand towards your left hip. Next of all, what you want to do is you want to bring this nunchuck under this hand, okay? So this hand and the nunchuck's going to come underneath like so. And you're going to put this on this hand like so. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to point this hand from pointing up and go in this direction here. So I'm going clockwise. And I'm going to go to turn my hand out. And that will go like this. Nunchucks. Next of all, what we're going to do is we're going to do completely the opposite. And we're going to bring our hand from facing out anti-clockwise this way, in this direction. Until you can get this going. If you notice, I'm pointing out, I'm pointing in. I've got, this is on my thumb here, and I've got hold of the rope here like so. So if you haven't got it like this, yeah, you've started to move off wrong, so go back to the start. But if you've got this here, that is awesome. You're ready for the exchange now. So I'm going to show this quickly in slow-mo first. Right, so next of all, once you've got this, you need to learn to exchange it over, okay? Which sometimes can be a little bit difficult, but I'm just going to break it down. So what we're going to do is basically you're going to put this hand over on this direction and you're going to slide it in, okay? Doing this intercepted motion, almost like you're making a bat, you know, it's flying backwards, yeah? So when you go here and here, this is coming in here. And I'm taking the rope over to this direction, yes? So go here, then here. Next of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this hand to point in this way, and this is going to go around this thumb, and I'm going to stick these fingers out like so. Okay, very straight. So if you watch, I'm going to go here, here, then we come off with this thumb roll, and we're back into this in spin, right? So we start off in spin, we go here, then this thumb roll, right? So we're in back into the in spin. Last of all, then what you need to do is you need to bring this up and over, and you're basically into the eagle pose. So if you dropped it, you could basically throw an eagle, yes? So, looks really cool, right? So, I hope this helps you, right? I'll show it in slow-mo quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? So it's a lot more simpler than it looks, but it is a little bit complex, okay? So I hope this helps you, right? Please remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon, guys. Oosh. Ooh. Ooh. Ah.